If you're watching at home, you're probably wondering what donuts, not just donuts, tartan donuts, magnetic discs, and magnetic hooks have in common. Well, they are all part of my donut umbrella. I, on Instagram, saw someone holding donuts from an umbrella, and I was determined to figure out how to do it. It took a little trial and error, but I'm so excited to share with you what I learned. So what I did is I took a clear umbrella like this. It's not writing inside. I just like how it looks. And I got magnetic discs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach each magnetic disc to a magnetic hook. It's going to look sick. They say don't open an umbrella inside. Oh, I say they don't know what they're talking about. Okay, so now we have magnetic hooks and discs on an umbrella. All that's left to do is attach a donut to each one. Voila! You now have a donut umbrella. You could also put chocolate bar, little goodie bags, little circular churros. You could put a variety of things, but I was so excited to figure out this method. I'm so excited to share it with you too. Happy eating!